Hello everyone, I am Walt, and today we are doing another self-help video in the 101 Ways to Feel Happy Daily Basis Life Hack series and such. So let's dive on in to our next principle. This principle is to have a meal somewhere different. Yeah, somewhere different. So having a meal somewhere, other than where you normally eat. I would say that there could be a lot of different venues. It has a parentheses then like of have a picnic is the option for it. And yeah, I guess it depends on if you're a picnic person or not. I'm not really a picnic person, so I don't really recommend that. But eating out in nature can be fun. I had a meal out here today out on the porch, and I rarely do that. I normally, sit in front of the screen, watch some fun stuff, which is nothing wrong with that. I'll continue to do that forever because I'm never going to criticize TV or anything. That's always going to be a great invention right there. And all that kind of stuff. So don't worry about this content being nuts or, anything crazy like that. But yeah, really diving into it, it's just saying, let's have a meal somewhere else. Why is this going to make you feel happy? Well, first off, eating tends to make people feel happy because of a natural response to that, okay? Food, the body needs food. The whole thing about, nature is going to be about survival and reproduction. So it's going to make survival and reproduction pleasurable events. So there basically is just, the same case here. You have just eating food somewhere, and a different place is also an interesting kind of component because people don't often like change. There's the whole subconscious, I don't want to change thing, but people also do like, trying some new things, and new experiences can be absolutely fantastic. So eating a meal somewhere other than where you normally eat one can change up the routine a little bit, and it can be new, it can be exciting, it can be fun, and it can be just like a familiar meal somewhere else that'll be closer to nature or, in a different room or something that's a different experience. And so that kind of new experience, but nothing that's too big. It's not like a system shock to you right there. It's just like, bam, something's a little bit different. Then that's a case where, okay, I feel a little bit happier. That's kind of basically the idea behind it at the end of the day. So anyway, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time, of course, with our next video. Check out my own personal books I have written for Amazon, and of course, the other Amazon self-help books that other great authors have written if you want to have any self-help that goes, beyond just these kind of videos. Otherwise, just stick around and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.